Hello viewers, and today for you I have another eBay purchase. This is a lot of 12 world coins. It says great vintage lot. I paid approximately $17.72, and a lot of the coins are not very legible in the photographs, although it does look like I have some a coin from Palestine. It also looks like there's some 19th century German city-state coins, at least one of them in there. So let's open it up and see what we've got. Jeez. Wow. Well, that's very nice. We put it in a plastic coin holder and taped it to the envelope so that nothing would get damaged. I have a feeling I'm going to have a lot of cleaning to do with these coins. Okay, here's all the coins in the set, and I've tried to clean them up a little bit. The first one's right here. That's going to be an Austrian 1 Kreutzer from 1816. Next one is going to be an Austria 20 Heller from 1918. A Canada 1 cent from 1884. A France 1 lard coin from 1696. That's really a nice coin there. A France 12 dinars from 1792. A France 5 centimes from 1917. On the next row we have a France 5 centimes. The date's not readable, but it's anywhere from 1853 to 57. Next one's going to be in Italy, the Kingdom of Italy, 1 centesimo from 1808. Next one's going to be in Italy, 5 centesimi from 1862. Next one's going to be a Palestine 1 mil from 1927. Next, a Portugal 20 Reis coin from 1891. And the last coin is totally unreadable. I can't figure out what that one is. These two coins are especially nice and really make the collection. The French 1 Laird coin from 1696 has a lot of wear on it, but it's still worth about $20. And so is the France 12 dinars. It's worth $20 as well. So both very nice coins, and they both seem to match the correct weight and size to be those coins. So overall I paid $17.72 for this set of coins, and after doing some research, the whole set is worth about $99.10, plus whatever that Basel coin is that I still can't identify. So if you liked this video, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.